Welcome to Tech Talks, the podcast where we dive into the latest innovations in technology and the fascinating world of data science. I'm your host, and today we're exploring something truly groundbreaking in the realm of data processing: proof of SQL. Have you ever wondered how you can verify that SQL queries have been executed correctly without tampering? Well, that's exactly what Proof of SQL aims to achieve: a high-performance zero-knowledge prover that guarantees the integrity of SQL queries, all while being incredibly efficient. Let's start with the basics. When we think about how data is being processed today, especially in the world of blockchain and decentralized finance, the need for trustless systems is paramount. Proof of SQL allows developers to run complex SQL queries against large data sets, say over 100,000 rows of data, in under a second using a single GPU. Isn't that impressive? Imagine a world where you can pull analytics from a vast sea of data without needing to worry about whether your results are being tampered with. Proof of SQL achieves this through a novel commitment scheme that keeps gas fees low during on-chain verification. This is a game changer for developers who want to build more sophisticated, decentralized applications or DeFi protocols that rely heavily on data. Of course, we should touch on the technical magic behind it. Proof of SQL uses native, pre-computed commitments to data rather than traditional Merkle tree setups. So, when you add data to your database, it essentially creates a digital signature, a commitment that ensures the data remains unchanged. Think of it like sealing an envelope before sending it out. Once it's sealed, you can be almost certain that what's inside hasn't been altered. Now, what kind of SQL functions can we expect to use with this protocol? Well, right now, it supports a wide array of SQL syntax, including select queries, where clauses, and even group by statements. Picture this. You can run complex aggregations like sum or count across millions of rows and get verified results in just milliseconds. Seriously, the benchmarks show that you can query over 200,000 rows in under a second. But wait, this technology is still actively evolving. The team behind Proof of SQL is listening to community feedback and working on expanding SQL support, adding features like multi-table queries and subqueries. Also, they are developing a Solidity EVM verifier to make on-chain verification even more efficient. Before we wrap up, let's ponder for a moment. What if every developer could seamlessly integrate this prover into their existing SQL databases? The potential for building trustless applications could revolutionize how we think about data integrity in various industries, from finance to healthcare. In summary, Proof of SQL is more than just a tool. It's a pivotal step towards creating a trustless, data-driven future. Just remember, the technology is built from the ground up for speed, verification, and ease of use, making it not only a developer-friendly choice, but also a significant advancement in the blockchain ecosystem. So, whether you're a developer looking for ways to enhance your applications, or just a curious mind interested in the latest tech innovations, Proof of SQL is definitely something you should keep an eye on. Thanks for joining me today on Tech Talks. If you found this discussion enlightening, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts and keep the conversation going. What are your thoughts on zero-knowledge proofs in SQL? How do you see this impacting the future of data integrity? Until next time, stay curious.